So I'm here today on a beach in Koh Samui with these wonderful volunteers called Trash Heroes, and we're here to clear the trash up off this beach. And hey, yeah, yeah, welcome to Samui. So this is great because we have tourists and we have Thai people all recognising that basically the oceans are full of crap and we need to do something about it. So
8.5 million tons of trash per year.
how much trash is there?
8.5 million tons of trash per year is dumped in the ocean.
8.5 million tons of trash a year. And what is there's a hashtag going around at the moment?
Yeah, if people could do it, it's called pick 3 up for the sea. So everybody just picks 3 items up for the sea, and if collectively we did that, we'd make a massive difference.
Thank you, Stacey. So pick 3 items up. It's a challenge we're setting, and we're going to try and do our best here. Have a great day, people. Speak to you later.